All right, y'all, here we are. 6549. Let's get inside and check it out. Pretty cool looking. No lights on it. Kind of glows a little bit with the TV and the...
Oh, look, there's a view.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a view, huh? Of Galveston.
That's funny.
All right, let's turn the lights on and check it out real quick. This is going to be a quick review of the room itself. Just open stuff up and let you look in here real quick. Small hanger area right here. Probably the exact same thing over here. Actually, this will probably be more hanging space, I'm sure. Yeah, that's all hanging space. So that's good. Two different levels there.
Alright, so I'm changing sides already.
Alrighty, Tonya's changing.
Under the desk.
You got your own couch. This is pretty cool. It's a TV, basically. You got some drawers here. This should be the fridge. Yep, there's the fridge. Hair dryer. Desk. You got three American outlets. Wow. It's a change. Two different USB ports right there too, y'all. So that's good. Now that probably will be the only ones in the room, I'm sure.
There's a plug in there.
You got a decent mirror. Should have a light right there. You did see a plug-in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Plug-ins on both sides of the bed. Sweet.
Phones. That's good.
Yeah. Plug your phones in right there. Oh, nope. One side of the bed, y'all. This one doesn't have it, but if this has a USB port, you can usually charge. I do not see it. Some of the phones in your staterooms will have USB ports, and you can charge your phone off. You can charge your cell phone off of this phone.
That's so
All right, this is just a mirror. No other.
screen, by the way.
Yeah, it's a TV screen. This is just a mirror, nothing behind it. Oh, that's cool. They give you a card to put in here. Bathroom time. Not bad, honestly.
Kind of cool. I like it.
Yeah, this is a decent layout.
I'll make it home for 7 days.
Yeah, we will make it home for 7 days, y'all. This will be good enough for us. We don't spend much time in here anyway. So you do have a TV in your room right here at the bed. And our bed, obviously, is two twins. Actually, I don't even know if this pulls apart as two twins. This is probably always set up as a queen or a full or whatever this is. Probably a king, I guess. Is it two separate beds? Yeah. I don't know how they would separate it, though. Yeah, I don't think you would pull these apart. You do have reading lamps on each side of the bed. But there you go, y'all. That is the room tour. All right, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed the quick room tour video. And let's get back out and have some fun on the Harmony of the Seas. Make sure you check out all of our videos for Harmony of the Seas. We're going to have a complete series.